Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Honda Civic in a sport trim and powered by a 1.5 liter turbocharged engine, providing you with excellent fuel power and fuel efficiency. And coming in a hatchback, so you've got more room in the back, which we will take a look at now. With the hatch, you have some added cargo room, and you can of course fold down the seats for some more room. And you have a cargo curtain so you can keep your stuff covered up, and underneath this platform you have your spare tire with some room around there for other stuff. First, looking into the back, where you do have comfortable seating for 3 with fold out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 40,907 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology and adaptive steering, I believe, so it'll keep you in your lane. And then to the left you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your radio stations. You can look at your digital speedometer, distance to empty, and then you can also look at all of your maintenance information, your turbo gauge and status, your now playing phone controls, settings for your screen. But then moving on to the left, where you have your traction control shut off, your forward collision assist, and your lane keeping system, I believe. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth capable, I believe, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And you do also have a right turn camera, so you can press that button, see what's coming on your right side when you're looking to turn right. It does also turn on if you activate your right signal, so you get a good view of what's happening to the right of you. But then above that you have your hazards, and then moving down you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats so you can stay cozy in the colder months. Down here you have a little pass through because all of your outlets are actually down here, such as your USB, and then on the other side you have a 12 volt power outlet, as well as having a kind of a cubby area down there. And then you have your main shifter with select shift, because you have paddle shifters on your steering wheel so you can manually shift through your gears. And then you have your brake hold, parking brake, eco mode, and then you have kind of your center console area where you have 2 cup holders. You can move this out of the way, and then you have 2 cup holders that can be slid back and forth out of the way, whatever you want. You do have another USB there so you can plug something into power or charge. And then of course a deeper cup holder for if you want to put like a big water bottle in there or something. This can be slid forward and back or just moved out of the way. You have this little part that moves around as well, and then you have pretty deep storage in there. But then last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.